Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anissa Rioja. I am student from English Education Department, Faculty of Tarbiyah. In this video, I would like to report the result of my interview based report entitled Sex Education Effort to Reduce Risky Behavior in Adolescents. This effort focuses on the importance of sex education and its role in helping adolescents reduce risky behavior, especially in the context of today's digital and social environment. Adolescence is a crucial stage in human development because it marks the transition from childhood to adulthood. During this period, adolescents experience significant change in physical, psychological, and social aspects of life. Physically, adolescents go through puberty, which brings various changes to their bodies. These changes often lead to increased curiosity about their bodies and sexuality. This curiosity is a natural part of development. However, without proper understanding, adolescents may respond to these changes in unhealthy or risky ways. In addition to physical changes, adolescents also experience emotional and social development. They begin to form their personal identity, develop emotional sensitivity, and build relationship with others, including the opposite sex. At this stage, adolescents often seek recognition and acceptance from their social environment. Without adequate guidance, this developmental process may lead adolescents to engage in risky behavior, particularly related to sexual activity. These conditions becomes more concerning in today's era of globalizations and digitalizations. Currently, adolescents have very easy access to information through social media, the internet, and various digital platforms. Unfortunately, not all information related to sexuality and relationships is accurate, appropriate, and educational. Much of this content is unfiltered and does not align with moral values or health standards. This situation is further complicated by the fact that sex education is still considered a taboo topic in many families and educational institutions because open discussion about sexuality are often avoided. Adolescents tend to seek information independently from unreliable sources. As a result, they are more vulnerable to misinformation and unsafe sexual behavior. Based on the findings of this report, sex education is understood as knowledge related to reproductive health, relationship boundaries, and self-protection from various risks. This understanding shows that sex education is not limited to biological explanations, but also includes values, attitudes, and social responsibility. The title, Sex Education, Effort to Reduce Risky Behavior in Adolescents, was chosen because it emphasizes that sex education is not merely about delivering information, but also about prevention. Proper sex education helps adolescents make better and more responsible decisions in their lives. This topic is highly relevant to current social issues involving adolescents, such as early pregnancy, promiscuity, and the misuse of sexual information. Therefore, sex education should be viewed as necessary and planned effort, not as taboo subject. From a theoretical perspective, sex education is a systematic and continuous process of providing information about human sexuality, reproductive health, interpersonal relationships, and moral and social values. According to adolescence development theory, puberty is a critical period during which adolescents explore their identity. During this stage, guidance is essential to help adolescents understand change within themselves and prevent behavior that may negatively affect their future. Social learning theory explains that adolescents' behavior is strongly influenced by their environment, including family, school, and society. Adolescents tend to imitate behaviors they observe and consider acceptable. Therefore, environments that provide accurate and appropriate sex education are more likely to shape positive behavior. Meanwhile, risk behavior prevention theory emphasizes that knowledge functions as a protective factor. Adolescents who understand the risks associated with certain behaviors are more likely to make conscious and informed decisions. This perspective supports the idea that sex education helps protect adolescents from harmful actions. Based on this report, the main solution to reducing risky behavior among adolescents is the implementation of comprehensive and ongoing sex education. First, sex education should begin in the family environment. Parents play a crucial role as the first educator because they can instill basic values, norms, and understanding through emotional closeness. Open communications within the family creates a sense of security and encourage adolescents to ask questions without fear or shame. Second, school play a strategic role in providing structure and age-appropriate sex educations. Schools have qualified educators and organized learning system that allow sex education to be delivered scientifically through lessons, seminars, and counseling service. Third, higher education institutions can support adolescents and young adults by providing reproductive health education and counseling programs. This support is important because guidance is still needed even after adolescents enter young adulthood. Sex education should ideally begin when adolescents enter puberty around the age of 10 to 12 years old. At this stage, curiosity begins to develop, making education more effective as a preventive effort rather than a corrective one. This report also highlights that sex education contributes not only to physical but also to adolescents' mental and emotional well-being. Understanding bodily and emotional change help reduce confusing anxiety and fear during puberty. To conclude, sex education plays a crucial role in reducing risky behavior among adolescents. It helps adolescents understand physical change, emotional development, personal boundaries, and the consequence of their actions. Sex education does not encourage risky behavior. Instead, it equips adolescents with the knowledge, values, and skill needed to protect themselves and behave responsibly. The collaboration between families, schools, and educational institutions is essential to ensure that sex education is effective, sustainable, and beneficial for adolescents' development. That concludes my report entitled Sex Education Report to Reduce Risky Behavior in Adolescents. I hope this report can encourage awareness about the importance of sex education in supporting adolescents to grow into healthy, responsibility, and well-informed individuals. I am Andisa Rioja reporting. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.